Did you know that your smartphone is probably dirtier than a toilet seat? It might sound shocking, but it's true. We touch our phones hundreds of times a day, at home, at work, in the bathroom, at the gym, even while eating. All of that contact transfers germs, sweat, food particles, makeup, and oils directly onto the surface. Studies have shown that the average smartphone carries up to 10 times more bacteria than a public toilet seat, yet most of us rarely think about cleaning our devices. So, how often should you actually clean your phone? Experts recommend a quick wipe with a microfiber cloth every day, especially if you use your phone constantly throughout the day. For proper disinfection, you should clean your smartphone with alcohol-based disinfecting wipes, containing at least 70% isopropyl alcohol, 2 to 3 times a week. And in certain situations, like after using your phone in the bathroom or after someone sick has touched it, it's best to clean it immediately. Cleaning your phone isn't complicated, but it needs to be done the right way to avoid damaging it. Always turn your phone off before cleaning. Use a soft microfiber cloth for general cleaning and alcohol-based wipes for disinfection. Make sure not to spray anything directly onto the screen, and never use bleach, vinegar, window cleaner, or abrasive cloths, like paper towels, as these can harm the device or its screen coating. Also, don't forget to clean your phone case. It collects just as many germs as the phone itself. To keep your phone cleaner for longer, try to avoid using it while eating, wash your hands before handling it, and consider using a screen protector, which is easier to clean and replace if needed. For those who are extra cautious about hygiene, UV phone sanitizers can be a great investment. In short, your phone is with you almost all the time, so keeping it clean should be a regular part of your routine. A few seconds of cleaning every day can go a long way in protecting you from unwanted germs and illnesses. So, when was the last time you cleaned your phone? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips like this one.